Me and the Uso here. Let's go.
I'm famous.
He's famous. This market upgraded nice. This not your typical that market. That's what it used to. No, like look, this used to look like that market. Oh yeah, true you did.
I went to the one where it was over here, remember? By the bus stop?
That's it. That's the one.
Yeah. But when
Oh my gosh.
When it looked, before they moved it over there.
All right, check it out, family. It's your boy the Uso. So we here again, another year, and we back again at Amanaki's restaurant. Salutes. Here at the Amanaki. Hello. Check out the menu. The menu. Let's go. Check it out, man. Look at our view. Check it out, man. We just pulled up to the Amanaki Restaurant Hotel. And I've been here a few times in the past. As for me, you already know I'm a foodie, so we're gonna get this Amanaki menu cracking. Let's go. Chat, check it out. Woo, wow, so check this out. We just finished the chicken burger from Amanaki's. That shit was quite nice. So if you're here in Samoa, come check out Amanaki's because that shit is very nice. Very, very nice. So chat, y'all have a blessed day and stay nice. Let's go.
Yep, thank you. They love Amanaki. Thank you guys for having us. Until next time, shoots.
I'm pretty sure another McDonald's would be a big hit.
Honestly, it would if you even put it down over there.
Anywhere, just having a second McDonald's, you can turn the next right.
Next right?
Yeah.
We're
Pharmacy.
after the pharmacy, right? Or at
Yeah,
the pharmacy?
after the pharmacy.
Yeah. New pharmacy. Oh, actually, are they open still, babe? Because we might have to go there.
Bro, that's where the gun store is.
In that
Yes.
pharmacy?
In the pharmacy, hidden in the corner.
No wonder why.
Yeah.
Crazy. And you say in the pharmacy, yet they have, so they got drugs and guns.
Yeah.
Check it, we're here in the market here in Apia, Samoa. So if you're looking for clothes, looking for food, come down here to Apia Market, Samoa. Me and the Uso here, let's go.
I'm famous.
He's famous. So shout out to the Apia Markets, let's go. If you want some A's, if you want shirts, ears, come down to the Apia Market, come get some good deals. Look at this, got some nice clothes, man. I like the Samoa tank top over there, chat. Check that out. So yeah, if you're here in Apia, come support the Apia Markets and get some good finds. Look at this. Give you a little peek. Look at that. Nice. Very beautiful. Hello. Look at the ears. So if you're here in Apia, come over here to Apia, show some love. They got the ears over here going on. 10 Salah. Let's go. Show some love to the locals. Got my cousin here with his girl. Guys, stuff everywhere. Nice finds. They even got stuff for the kids. Nope, nope. Oh, look at this. Damn. The necklaces too. Just met up with my brother and my cousin. These guys are trying to buy the whole market.
That's the part of little battery thing still going.
So we just met up with the crew again. Let's go. What are you getting, Keeper? Zam! Nice, papa. Nice, bam, bam. Look at these guys. Zam! Chat, so check it out. We got these kids over here, and they're selling these ears, and they're selling the ears to make a living for their parents. So my brother just finished buying some from them to try to show them some love. But you know what I'm going to do? We're going to bless these guys with some Hot Wheels toys. So y'all already know what I'm about. Check it out, chat. We're about to pull some Hot Wheels from the back here.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Yeah, see my brother buying some ears from those kids over there, trying to show them some love. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna show some love back. Hey, chat, you already know these cost money, but it ain't about the money. You feel me? Yeah. Sick. Yeah.
Yeah, Manuna. Yeah, come on, sick. Okay, my little Usos, let's go.
Alright, chat. Let's go. Hey, boys. Malo ang nagduit. Malo. Chat, check it out. So we didn't buy anything because we didn't want to buy anything. But my Uso here gave him some cash just to help the
So
brother
this
out,
right here, y'all, this is our Make-A-Wish Foundation fund here in the cup holder with Sprite. That's
So every kid we see,
that way we can help everyone.
yeah, we're trying to give a kid $1 each or
Still
whatever.
Sprite. Yeah, there's still Sprite
With some
from
Hot
the
Wheels.
fountain.
And we even give them the leftover Sprite that's spilled from the
Yeah,
McDonald's.
so it's just one coin each. It's random too, so they
Yeah.
might get a $2 or 10 cent, but I think that's pretty good
Yeah,
draw.
with a flavor of the Sprite that's in there as well.
For free.
Yeah, for free. Shout out to QC.
Yes. All right, chat. Here we are, coming down Cross Island Country Road. We just saw the 6.6 acre abandoned resort, and I think we're gonna have to go back tomorrow and inquire.
But right now, we're gonna go and enjoy our Sunday out here at the back at Saratoga Sands Resorts, and we're gonna go ahead and just relax, kick back, and enjoy Samoa way.
Chad, tell me why I feel like I come here more than these guys, and I feel like I'm the guest. Yeah, it just doesn't feel right. Check it out. Shout out to my wife. Shout out to my Uso Quinn and his wife Leu. Taking us out right now to these resorts. Much love to the family. Stay tuned with us when we go check out these places, guys. We're doing reviews for you guys. So all we need you is to tap the like button and share the stream. Wait, Lord. Let's go. 685 to the world. Chat, check it out. We got Hot Wheels here. And as soon as we see a kid, we're gonna throw a Hot Wheel at them. I mean, we're gonna pass the Hot Wheel to them. So check it out. We got all these Hot Wheels. The Uso and I. There's the wife in the backseat. Are you looking for some kids? Hunting them down and shooting some Hot Wheels.
They have to be on the road. The stipulation for this Hot Wheel giveaway is be on the road. As long as they're on the road, we're gonna throw one at their head.
As soon as we see a kid on the road, we're gonna start throwing these out, chat. Throw away Hot Wheels.
Oh, we got one. We got one, Ron. Get ready.
Chat, we got them. We got one on the road.
Where's my hand?
All right, chat, check it out. We're gonna bless this young kid here with the blue shirt. Brother, Makutoye boy. Yeah, let's go. Wait. Chee-hoo. Let's go. Got the homies over here building their parents' houses. Chat, this is what it's all about. So you don't see no kids with a phone. You don't see no kids with an iPad. Everybody is outside enjoying life, chat. Chat, so check it out. We are driving to our resort. As you can see, we're driving on the road. So the stipulation is the kids have to be on the road or walking on the road, because most likely you'll see them So for them to get Hot Wheels, for example, we got 2 kids on the road.
But we don't have no Hot Wheels with us.
Refill.
Oh, thank you. Lady. Eyes out. He's out to lady. Oh, look at the Hot Wheel lady at the back. Bring us out. Let's go. So we got our Hot Wheel driver over here. Let's go. Sheesh.
This is Hot Wheel karaoke.
Hot Wheel karaoke. Chat, we got a kid. Oh, he's coming to my side. No, he's going this side. Yeah, get it to him. If you're wondering why we're doing this, is to spread awareness for giving. It doesn't cost much to give, it's free. Oh, don't worry, child, cut that part out. Yeah, this village will come after us. Chat, check it out, it's crazy. We left the other side of the island, it was pouring rain. You come on this side of the island, it's clearing up.
me feeling down. I need your medicine to come pick me up the ground. When I'm feeling lost in the masses of the crowd, I know you're loving this sound. Reggae, I, now you can't deny the love. Cause it take me higher like to Zion up above. We let your light shine like it brighter than the sun. Feeling irie, I just tryna be one.
Girl, you make my heart beat, Say my heart beats for your love, and it's got me going crazy. Said I'm irie off your love. Girl, you make my heart beat, Said my heart beats for your love, and it's got me going crazy. Said I'm irie off your love.
Yeah, so higher than the ceiling. And then I can't help the feeling.
You didn't even get the damn sign.
Right here.
You missed. I got it earlier.
Stop, you. I was right here. Keep doing that.
You guys suck.
We're gonna walk back. We're gonna walk back and do it again.
I went slow by the sign.
Yes, I'm irate, my baby.
Girl, you make my heart beat, Say my heart beats for your love, and it's got me going crazy. Said I'm irie off your love. Girl, you make my heart.
Ron's gonna tell me yes or no so I can flirt.
Say my heart beats for your love, and it's got me going crazy.
Chat, we're coming to see if we can check in or not. Chat, so we just pulled up to the resort and they said this is one of the check-in spots, but they'll take us on this side. Let's go.
Can we check in here?
Nice, baby. Yeah, they said we can check on this side. Yeah. Oh.